Ever wondered if using keywords related to the names of your competition is worth it? Market competition is healthy for the economy. It leads to quality products, better prices, and innovative thinking. It's great for the economy, but it is challenging to succeed in a crowded market. Managing Google Ads is no different. You're guaranteed to run into competitors who are relentlessly fighting for a piece of the pie. If your brand isn't easily recognized, you could be at a disadvantage. In this video, you will learn how to become a pro in Google Ads management using competitors' names as keywords. Let's walk through it. Search engines. One of the greatest business goals in digital marketing is to reach the top page position in search engines. Thanks to Google Ads and Microsoft Advertising, there's a way to break through. Have you considered using competitor names as keywords in your campaign strategy? If your answer is yes, then don't be hesitant. Google will not investigate or restrict the use of trademark terms and keywords. Perhaps you're concerned about the legitimacy of this strategy, but rest assured that Google's current policy confirms that this practice is perfectly legal, especially when you follow the rules when implementing. And as a pro tip, Microsoft Ads also allows competitors to bid on your brand name. Their policy states that, and quote, "As an advertiser, you're responsible for ensuring that your keywords and ad content, including trademarks and logos, do not infringe or violate the intellectual property rights of others." High bounce rates. Let's say you performed an in-depth competitor keyword research and developed an extensive list of brand names you would like to include on your list. After as little as a week, you may see an improvement in CTR and increase in healthy traffic to your site. A high bounce rate could indicate that people who clicked on your ad didn't get what they expected and immediately left your site. These are competitor keywords you'd want to remove because you pay per click. Keep in mind that using competitor names as keywords must prove a good ROI as much as your campaign CTR would make sense in your strategy. Don't include your competitors' names in your ads. Though you'll want to include competitor names as keywords, never place them in your ads. This goes against the marketing platform's policies and can lead to an unnecessary legal collision with your competitors. Pro tip: a good practice for your ad headlines is to use your brand name or a generic description of your competitor's brand products. Avoid DKI for your ad group ads. Also known as dynamic keyword insertion, DKI takes any keyword within your keywords list and matches the search query to fit the 25-character limit of the headline in your ad. Because you're using DKI, the headline of your ads will show your competitors' names, which poses a potential problem to advertising policy and trademark law. Therefore, we strongly advise you to refrain from using DKI for your ad groups when using competitor names as keywords. Use brand names that directly compete with your business. People seeking brands similar to yours may have an interest in trying out something different, but within the same range of products. Given this reason, the best is to opt out of keywords that include commercial brand keywords. Let's suppose that you sell sneakers. It's wiser to focus on competitor names that make similar shoes to your own. That way, your product is an alternative for what the customer seeks, and you're not breaking the bank to gain sales. Monitor value and performance. You'll want to monitor the value of having competitor names as keywords. Set up and remember that these do not immediately translate into ROI. It requires optimization and consistent follow-up to maximize its efficiency. Keep in mind that the conversion rate for competitor names as keywords tends to be lower than an account's average. However, targeting competitor names as keywords works as a cross-channel strategy, benefiting the following: outranking by increasing exposure, attracting a higher percentage of online audiences, and a gradual increase in the quality of conversions. Ad copy real estate. There is always an opportunity to leverage additional tactics in Google Ads. Be aggressive with it. Writing solid and concise ads is your opportunity to elevate your business above competitors and stand out to potential clients. Here are some tips for ads optimization. Unique selling propositions, USPS, what makes a company stand out from its competitors. Promotions, if applicable, relevant content that validates your service and/or product as the best option. And as a quick recap, keep in mind that there are times where using branded keywords could have some legal implications, but it serves to know that PPC, SEO, and social media are marketing channels that can help businesses strategically break through the online competition and connect with target audiences at an accessible cost. I know you like this video. How about giving it a thumbs up? And while you're at it, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post videos every week, so make sure to subscribe and click the bell to stay on top of the latest with digital marketing. See you for the next one.